Now, a lot of people have been talking about Bitcoin getting down to that 70K region. People have targets at 72K, 75K. Everyone is looking for that target. However, how many of you guys have actually stopped yourself in your track and asked yourself this question? If Bitcoin gets down to that 70K region, are we still in a bull market? Because yes, there is a price that represents the bull market cutoff, which is hinged on this monthly 10 simple moving average system. Over the past cycles now, if there is one system that has kept us on the right side of every bull market and bear market, it is this 10 simple moving average. Every cycle that prices have reclaimed the monthly 10 simple moving average, that has signaled bull market territory. Every time we lose the monthly 10 simple moving average, that signifies, hey, bear market territory, here we come. And you can see that this system has fared extremely well throughout all the cycles so far. So yes, it's had almost a 100% hit rate. And currently the monthly 10 simple moving average comes in at around 78.6K. Guys, this is our cutoff. If prices drop to 72K, 75K, well, guess what? That's not good news, especially if you're someone looking for the bull run to continue. And speaking of the bull run continuing, guys, the bulls are still in control on the macro timeframes. Around a year ago, along with the monthly 10 SMA system, I also brought up the system on the weekly Bollinger Band, and I kept this system fairly straightforward. I said, listen, if price is greater than the Bollinger Band mid, the bulls are still in control. And right now, the Bollinger mid comes in at around 90.6K. And it's only if prices break 90.6K will I be looking for lower targets getting into the 80s, getting into the 70s. Until we're maintaining that as support, I'm saying bulls are still in control. Bull run A-okay. And just to show you how well the system has played out in letting us know if we can actually expect a lower target, let's zoom out. Now you can of course go ahead and backtest this and all the other cycles that have played out so far, but if we're just looking at this cycle, every time Bitcoin has actually lost the Bollinger mid, that often gives us another push to the downside, getting to the bottom of the Bollinger Band. Even on the second break of the Bollinger mid, what happened right there? We made our way down to the Bollinger Band once again, another meltdown. But right now, as things stand, price is currently over the Bollinger mid. So looking for the next meltdown into the 80K region, into the 70K region is premature. Prices need to first break 90.6K for us to then look for those moves to the downside. And if I'm being honest with you, I think that the markets are ready to get into a bit more of a risk-on environment. I'm looking at a different system out there that's telling me that not only will Bitcoin get into a risk-on environment, but the altcoins as well. I will be presenting that system in today's mastermind call that happens in around 2 hours from now. So for those of you in the Mango Seed program, make sure to be there. And for those of you who are in the Seed program but not yet in the Discord chat, well, either reach out to me or Sean and we'll add you guys in. But I, for one, am super excited for what Bitcoin is doing right here. 90.6K is the region, and so far we're holding it as support. But in addition to 90.6K being the Bollinger mid, it also lines up with the 4-day dynamic as well as the 3-day dynamic, which price has been holding as support. There's a lot of confluence in this region, so jumping the gun on the bearish call, especially looking for 70K that's likely going to propel us into bear market territory, is just premature right now. If anything, guys, right now is not the time to be fading critical regions of support. Critical regions of support are essentially where you can score some amazing trades, because guess what? You're close to a very critical level. In case prices break, you know you're wrong on the trade very fast, you get confirmation very fast, and you get to get out with a minimal loss. And more importantly, opportunities like this don't happen too often, where you have confluence on 3 very critical systems. We are around 1 week from the monthly close, and this is what the picture's looking like right now. We've cleared out a key region of resistance. The month of Feb has just simply come down to give it a retest. Zoom out if you are ever in doubt. Now, for those of you looking to capture Bitcoin on this support level, however, you're still on the hunt for a good exchange, then definitely check out BitUnix. There's no KYC, no country restriction. We've been enjoying our experience on it so far. If you use the link in the description below, you can get up to 5.5K in deposit bonuses, which you can then use towards putting on new trades as well as towards your trading fees. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now I want to hear from you guys in the comments section. Are you still looking for that 72K, 75K target to get hit? And if so, what is it that you're seeing on the chart that maybe I am missing? Let me know in the comments section. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.